Hi everyone, I'm Nikhil from Aagaaz. Today we're going to be talking about personality and self-esteem. It is tempting to think of mental health as the absence of any psychological illnesses rather than the presence of a number of factors that contribute to our individual well-being. One of these factors is personality that is influenced by our self-esteem. Let's begin here. Personality is what makes you unique. It is the sum of your actions, emotions, morals, attitudes, and so many other pieces of a jigsaw puzzle that make you you. Every person alive right now has had a number of experiences that has shaped them into who they are today. How do I behave in public? How do I manage my time? What are my thoughts about love? Am I open to suggestions? Which do I prefer, socializing or solitude? All these aspects, along with whether you're impulsive or cautious or selfless or selfish, depends on your personality. Our biology, social expectations, and individual psyches all interact with each other, therefore forming this construct. In our day-to-day conversations, we come across something called self-esteem. This is a measure of the worth that we attach to ourselves. A high self-esteem makes us feel confident and secure about ourselves. A low self-esteem manifests in insecurities, self-doubt, and self-defeating behavioral patterns. Our experiences affect our personality, which in turn influences our self-esteem. As we attempt to improve the quality of our experiences, our personality acquires new attitudes, and our self-esteem reflects this. Prioritizing yourself is an important aspect of self-esteem. The emotions that we feel and the thoughts that run through our mind define who we are and mold our mental health. Here's a question worth asking ourselves. Do we strive to make these better and attend to these with care? Failure, humiliation, stressful life events, and low self-care are some of the major events that negatively affect our self-esteem. A powerful way to boost your self-esteem is to recognize the factors in life that you have control over and the ones you don't. This will make all the difference in how you perceive your life. To end this video, I would like to quote Ralph Waldo Emerson, who said that to be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. Remember that self-care is never selfish, and that all of us, regardless of our personality, wish for happiness and peace of mind in our lives. Learning more about mental health is the first step we can take to ensure that both our community and we have a bright future ahead.